Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Outdoortide. That is www.outdoortide.com. Now, all of us are familiar with this fantastic shop at this stage, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please go and have a look at Outdoortide. They sell our favorite cross stitch. They do the newest beaded cross stitches. They do diamond paintings, paint by number, you name it, they've got it. They also sell all the tools and accessories you need for those crafts, and they do customs as well. They're very, very efficient. They sell other little stuff like epoxy molds. You must go and have a look. But their store comes back to you immediately. So but you must just remember the time difference, right? So they ship very fast. Their products are amazing, and like I said, customer service, well done. They are amazing. Now, if you buy from Outdoortide and you buy for over $59, you get free shipping. Yes, and that is not all. Listen to this discount code. If you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, which is Rella15 off, for an extra 15% off. Now that is amazing savings. Now on top of that, remember, if you order over $39, you get a free blind box. But now, if you forget to do this, you need to mail, or you need to add it to your cart. Your free blind box, if your expenditure is over $39, you need to add that to your cart. I'm sorry, I am correcting myself here. It's not $59. They've changed it, $49. So $49 you get free shipping, $39 you get a free blind box, and you have to add it. Now let's have a look at this. I am super duper excited. Why? They are stocking the newest 9-count brand stitches. Mona Lisa 9-count. Now look at that beautiful flowers. It's stuck here, just hold on, I don't want to destroy this. Okay, so let's have a look. So it comes in a plastic envelope. You can reuse it. It's got a little press button. You can even hang it. There's a little barcoded sticker in the front. Now here it is, Mona Lisa, beautiful front page with all these beautiful, it looks like peonies. That's what they call peonies. There you go, beautiful. And it's a 9-count, 50 by 50 centimeters. Now 9-count, my dear Stitchy family, work with 4 threads and number 22 needle. All right, so let's have a look. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my soul. All right, so there is the pattern. It's a 1-pager. You don't need it, but it's there for in case something happens, and we work with 29 colors. Now, lots of you will ask the color amount, why it's so little. When it's a brand and it's like this, it's fine. You will get a beautiful picture. It won't be a blurry mess. So this is perfect. So here's our beautiful ADA, strong ADA, serge on all the sides we need for our convenience, so we don't have to do it. And on the edges of the material, you cannot fray that. That is, you're going to struggle hard. It's possible, but oh, it will be lots of work. All right, so it just says the 100% mark there. You must Google Translate to what that, you know what, let us do that. Let's do it together. My phone today is here next to me. So let's see quickly. Let me just get that. Let's translate that. Wait. "100% accurate high definition flower. Accurate cross stitch." It's gonna come out exactly like your picture. That's what they're telling you there, and it's HD printed. Look at this printing. Beautiful printing, right? So this is an amazing stitch. The printing is clear. It is beautiful. You've got all the symbols you need on your Ada. And let me see if it's the same. And all the symbols on your pattern is the same. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the pretties. Before we look at all the pretties, our toolkit has got 5 needles in, 522 needles in, a knipper, and a needle threader. There you go. There you go. Now, let's look at the pretties. Okay, so, what they do with these floss cards, floss cards, alright, what they do with them is when there's like too much of a color, they put the same color next to each other. I like these, you just pull them out, they are fantastic. Alright, so let's have a look here. Yes, 1, 2, 23, and they are spectacular. Look at that. Don't you think it's just pretty? It's amazing. Very, very nice. And then we've got our 24 to 29. Very, very pretty indeed. I adore this. Excellent product. Well done. Amazing. Alright, so while I pack this away and you look at that beauty, and let me tell you, that beauty is also a 9 count and it is fabulous, don't you think? But while you look at that, I want to ask, if it's the first time you watch my channel, please would you be so kind, and if you want to, hit the subscribe button. It is for free, and by doing that you help me out a lot, and guess what, you motivate me to make more content for you. And while you're busy with the buttons, press the like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Now we've all said and done, let's have a look at this beauty. I think this one is amazing. So let's have a look at it. I see glitter, a glitter canvas. Let's just get everything out. So this one does not have, let me just check. It does not have a toolkit, it's just got needles. Okay, this one does not have a toolkit, it's got needles. Now we've got this beautiful, I don't know if this is a sticker. No, this is just a picture and it is mythical. It is so, so pretty. We do have our pattern here. It is fantastical. It's a double-sided A4 printed. Remember all the symbols you need on your canvas, on your ADAs here as well. And we are working with 45 colors. Now that wants to be done. This is gonna be superb. So let's have a look at this canvas. Like I told you, it's also 9 count. I didn't tell you the size, right? It's a bit bigger. It's 61 by 81 centimeters. Now I told you this is a glitter canvas, but you cannot see that on camera. But it is a glitter canvas and it's fantastical. Ooh, look at this. Alright, it is serge on all the sides we need. The edging of the fabric is not serge. We've got 2 needles attached to your Ada. And let's have a look at this quickly. What fun is this gonna be, guys and girls and everybody? Oh wow. So it's 180 stitches by 252. You stitch a 9 count very fast. I love this picture. This picture is amazing. Wow, really, really, really good. Look at that. Fantastic, right? Super duper. I love it. The printing is clear. I'll show that to you now. The symbols don't mash. They are superb. Look at that. You can see you don't need your pattern. Look at that. You only need it if you make a oopsie. A oopsie saying that if you get this wet. No one wants that, right? Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, now let's look at this fantastical colors, and there is lots and lots, alright? Okay, so let's start here. Well, I'm looking for one there. So 1 to 18, and it's those floss cards I love. Beautiful colors. And we've got 19 to 36 on this one. What's so, dreamy, ice creamy. It's almost there. And then 37 to 45. You see, these are just extras. So 45, 45, 45. The whole thing goes 45. This is fabulous. I absolutely love it. See, this card is a bit bent, but it came like that. But that's no problem. All right, so let me show them to you together. Look at that. Wow, amazing. And it's a lot, people. A lot. What amazing products. Wow. Now, while I pack away, I just want to thank Outdoortide. Oh, I yawn. Yeah, sorry. I want to thank Outdoortide. Wow. These products rock. They are superb. Thank you so much. I absolutely adore them. They're really nice. Thank you so much. And then I want to thank you, my viewer, for always watching and supporting me. You guys know that really means the world to me. I appreciate it with my whole heart. Now, till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.